He was ignored by everyone until one makeover changed his entire life.
Impressive, doctor.
You walk past someone every single day, but you never really see them. Not because they're invisible, but because the world chooses to ignore them. This is the story of Jake, a man who once had
Impressive, doctor.
everything, a job, a home, a normal life, until one day he lost it all. Jake had been living on the streets for months. Dirty clothes, messy hair, unshaven beard. People avoided him. Some judged him. Most ignored him. Every mirror he passed reminded him of what he had become. One day, something unexpected happened. A stranger walked up to him. Not with money, but with an offer. Shaven beard. People avoided him. Some judged him. Most ignored him. Every mirror he passed reminded him of what he had become. One day, something unexpected happened. A stranger walked up to him. Not with money, but with an offer. "Let me help you." Jake was confused. Help?
Impressive,
Why would
doctor.
anyone help him? But something about that moment felt different. He agreed. They took him to a small studio. Bright lights, clean mirrors. For the first time in months, Jake sat in a chair and looked at himself.
Impressive,
He
doctor.
barely recognized the person staring back. The transformation began. First, the haircut. Long, tangled hair, slowly falling away. With every cut, it felt like a piece of his past was being removed. Then, the beard. Carefully shaved, shaped,
Excellent
cleaned.
work, doctor.
His face started to appear again.
Excellent
A face
work,
he hadn't
doctor.
seen in a long time. Next, skincare. Years of dirt and
Impressive,
stress
doctor.
slowly washed away. His skin started to glow. And then, the
Excellent
clothes.
work, doctor.
Fresh shirt, clean pants, and then the clothes. Fresh shirt, clean pants, proper shoes. Jake looked down at himself, and for the first time in months, he smiled. But the biggest transformation wasn't outside, it was inside. As he looked into the mirror again, he didn't just see a new face, he saw hope.
Excellent
The
work,
room
doctor.
went silent. Even the people helping him were shocked. Is that really him? Jake stood up, confident, changed, reborn. When he walked outside, people looked at him differently, not with pity, but with respect. That same world
Impressive,
that once
doctor.
ignored him now noticed him. But here's the truth. Jake didn't become a new person that day.
Excellent work,
He
doctor.
simply became who he always was. He just needed a second chance. And sometimes that's all a person needs.
Great, doctor.
So next time you see someone struggling, remember, they're not
Excellent work,
invisible.
doctor.
They're just waiting for someone to see them again. If this story touched your heart, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful stories like this. Because you never know, the next story might change the way you see the world.